Hello, good morning children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 4. Okay, so take out page number 51. Have you opened it children? Okay, so we have completed up till simple present tense. Okay, now we will start present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense children? When the things are going on, the actions take place and are still happening yet not over, that are known as the present continuous tense. For example, you were eating, right? You were eating before 5 minutes and you are still eating. Okay, so that action is continuing now also. So that is known as the present continuous tense. Okay, clear up till here? Now see exercise B on the page number 51. Use the present continuous tense to describe the sounds being made by various animals. Okay, here we have given some fill in the blanks and in the bracket we have given verbs also. Okay, so we have to use verbs and we have to use it in a present continuous tense. Okay, so first number it is my dog blank loudly. Okay, verb is given here bark. Okay, and dog. Dog means here we are talking about only one dog. Okay, so what we will use? My dog is. With singular noun we will use are, with I we will use am, and with plural noun we will use are. Okay, so my dog is bark. We have given here verb bark and what we are using here? Present continuous tense. So in the present continuous tense we will use verb plus ing. This is verb. Okay, so verb plus ing means barking. Understood? Again I am reading. My dog is barking. Why is? Because singular noun is there. Only one dog is there. So is barking. Here we have given bracket. Bark plus ing means is barking loudly. Understood? Now see second number. The cows blank in the shed. Come on, tell me what is the answer. The cow blank. Sorry, here it is cows in the shed. In the bracket it is given moo. Okay, the cows are there. So many cows are there, more than one cow. So it is plural noun, right? So the cows are. Why are? Because it is plural noun. We have given verb plus ing. So moving. Understood? The cows are moving in the shed. Clear? Now turn the page number 52. What is given? Why is the rooster crowing so early? What a bracket is given? Verb is crow. Okay, so why? Asking question to the person. So why blank means here we will write is. Why is? There is only one rooster. Okay, so why is the rooster crowing so early? Okay, bracket is crow, right? So is plus verb. So crowing, crowing. Understood? Verb plus ing. Okay. Now see fourth number. Hush. Listen, the owls are hooting. Why owls? Owls means this is a plural noun. So owls are and the bracket is hoot. So are hooting in the dark. Okay children, clear up till 4 number. Now see fifth one. Fifth is the lamb is bleating for its mother. Why bleating? Because verb plus ing and the lamb is there, so is. Now see sixth number. Look at the lion. It blanks in its cage. And the bracket is roar. Verb is roar, so it will be roaring. So it is roaring. Understood? Now see seventh number. The frogs blank by the river side. And the bracket verb is given crop. So the frogs, so many frogs are there. So the frogs are croaking. Understood? Now see 8th number. Mrs. Ali's cat blanks for some more milk. Okay, is mewing. Okay, so cat is mewing. Okay. Now see what we are going to learn. Now we are going to learn what is past tense. Children, do you know the meaning of past tense? Past tense means the things, the actions which have already taken place. Means if we are talking about yesterday. Okay, so अगर हम कल के बारे में बात करें तो कल तो चला गया. Okay, so that is known as our past. Understood? So the things which are already happened in the past, that are known as to be past tense. Now see page number 52. See in the yellow box. Words that tell us about actions that have already happened in the past are said to be in the past tense. As I told you, the actions which are already held in the past, yes, so they are known as to be past tense. Okay, many verbs can be changed to the past tense by adding D or ED or by changing to Y, changing the Y to I and add ED. For example, hurry. See, here past tense is there. Okay, so now see here. What is given? Many verbs can be changed to the past tense by adding D. What we are adding? D, ED, or when in the verb it is given Y, we change it to I and we add ED after I. Okay, now see what is given. For example, hurry. Okay, HURRY, hurry. Okay, hurry. In the verb it is given I. Okay, and for the past tense what we will do, instead of Y we will use I. So hurry, and what we will add here? ED. So hurry. Understood how we are going to do? Okay, when in the verb it is given Y, then only we will do this process. Okay, now see what is given. Walk. Walk is given, so what we will add? ED. Okay, walked. Clear? What we are using here? ED. When in the sentence it is Y, we will use IED, and when in the verb it is only verb is given, so we will use ED. Walked. Understood? Now close. CLOSE. Close is given. Example. So close. So what we will use? CLOSE, and here it is B. So what we will use here? Closed. Understood? Okay. Sometimes we need to change the spelling to the verb to use a different word. Sometimes जब भी sentence में कभी कोई ऐसा भी sentence होता है जहाँ पे we have to change the spellings. Okay, जैसे कि ये verb है, तो कोई कोई sentence ऐसा होता है जिसमें हमको ये verbs जो होते हैं उनके spellings change करने पड़ते हैं. For example, we have given here go and come. Okay. For the past tense, I am telling you. Okay. So go means what we will use here? Went. Why went? Because it is past tense. The thing has already happened. Okay. So here it is come. So what we will write? CAME. Came. Understood? Clear up till here? Now see. The past continuous tense tell us about the actions that was going on at the some known or now unknown time in the past. We use was and were along with the present participle, present continuous tense. For example, was running, were studying. Now here first of all we will see the past tense. Okay, so see 53 page number. Okay, see the astronaut left. Why left? Here we have given bracket leave, LEAVE. जगह पे जाना. For example, you leave school at 12 o'clock. Okay, तुम घर जाते हो. Then you leave school. Okay, so in the past tense we will write here left. Understood? The astronaut left the spaceship and blank. In the bracket it is given step. S-T-E-P, step. I have already explained you. We will use here step. Okay. So, stepped on the surface of the moon. He looked. What will be the answer? Looked. Okay. Clear, children? In the past tense, we will use like this. So, looked around himself in view and wonder. He's in the bracket C is there. So, what we will write? Of C, we will use here so. Understood? He saw what most human beings can only dream of. He wished they could see what he saw. What was that? He was amazed. Amazed दिया हुआ है हमको. Amazed is given. So what we will write? Amazed. We will use here ed. We are adding here. Okay. Now next, at the sight of the something beautiful, blue and round in the sky, he blank gasped. Gasp is given. So again, what we will use here? G-S-P-E-D. We will add here ed. So he gasped as he realized what it was. It was earth. He observed. Why observed? We are using past tense. So we will use ed. Observed the sight of her for some time. Then he go. Go का क्या होगा past tense में? We will use went. So our answer will be then he went back to the spaceship and blank contact the space research center. Contact. So what we will write? Contact है तो contacted. Understood? Clear up till here. Now see present continuous tense. Present continuous tense में क्या होता है? जैसे यहाँ पे we are using ed and the in the past tense. Okay. So present continuous tense means past continuous tense means जैसे मैं तुमको 5 मिनट पहले पढ़ा रही थी. Okay. And still I am teaching you. अभी तक मैं तुमको पढ़ा रही हूँ. Okay. So that is known as past continuous tense. जो action पहले start हुई थी, but that is still going on. Okay. So past continuous tense में हम कैसे use करेंगे? How will use? These pictures were taken yesterday. ये जो pictures यहाँ पे दिए हुए that were of yesterday. Okay. Why yesterday? Because we are talking about past tense. Use the past continuous tense to describe what was happening. Now, for example, in the past tense we use ed, right? But in the past continuous tense we use verb plus ing. See here, for example, past continuous tense is there. Okay, so what we will use? Verb plus ing, and we will use was and were in the past tense, right? You know these rules. You have already studied in the standard third. Okay, so see what a family is doing. We have to see the picture and we have to make the sentences. So what they are doing? They all are watching the television. So here watch. Watch is our verb. How can we know that what is verb? हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि watch ही verb है? Because this is action. हम टीवी देख रहे हैं, तो देखना एक एक्शन हुआ, right? Means watch is a verb. तो जो चीज एक्शन ले रही है वो हमारा verb हुआ. That is known as our verb. Clear? So what a family is doing? The family watching. Okay, the family क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग? They are watching TV, right? What we will use? Was or were? Was. Family. Only one family is there, so the family was. Verb plus ing. So this is our verb. So watching. television. Understood up till here? Okay. Now see, second picture is horse. So, what a boy is doing? He is riding horse. ठीक है? So the boy means only one boy is there. You can see in the picture, right? Only one boy is there now. Yes. So what a boy is doing? He is riding. So here ride. वो horse पे ride कर रहा है, right? So our ride is our verb. ये हमारा verb हुआ ना? क्यों verb हुआ हमारा? Because riding is an action. वो कुछ कर रहा है. He is doing some work, right? So ride. तो ये हमारा verb हुआ. What we will use? Boy. Boy means one boy is there. So here we will write was, and here it is ride. So our answer will be was riding a horse. Understood? Clear up till here? Now see third number. Last number is what a picture is giving mother. What a mother is doing? Mother is cooking food, right? The mother. We will use was. Again we will use was. Why was? Because only one mother is there. So was cook. Cook मतलब वो खाना बना रही है मम्मी. ठीक है, mother is cooking. So again वहाँ पे वो कुछ काम कर रही है. Action is taking place. So was cooking. Okay, mother was cooking a food. Understood children how to use was and where? For example, अगर यहाँ पे हमको एक पिक्चर दिया होता जिसमें children were playing and there were so many children, right? So play. वो लोग खेल रहे थे, तो that is also one action. It is an action. So verb plus ing. Understood? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Children. How we will make sentence? Children were playing. Why were playing? Because it is so many children were there, right? More than one person, plural is there. So children were playing in the garden. This is one example, okay? How to make the plural sentences? Children were playing in the garden. Why we have used were? Were because it is children. So many children were there. And verb play means they are playing. Okay. Again here action is taking place. So verb plus ing. तो क्या आएगा? What it will come? Children were playing in the garden. Okay, clear up till past continuous tense. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.